Quite a brilliant paper for more compute-efficient LLM training/fine-tuning. The unreasonable ineffectiveness of the deeper layers. The world of large language models, LLMs, is constantly evolving, with models growing ever larger and more powerful. However, this growth comes at a cost: increased computational resources for training and inference. As researchers and engineers, we seek ways to optimize these processes without sacrificing performance. Today, we'll delve into the intriguing world of layer pruning, a technique explored in the recent paper, The Unreasonable Ineffectiveness of the Deeper Layers, by Gromov et al. The core idea: are all layers created equal? The paper investigates a simple yet powerful question: can we remove layers from an LLM without significantly impacting its performance? The intuition behind this approach stems from the residual structure of transformer models. Each layer's output is a combination of the previous layer's output and its own transformation. If these transformations across layers are minimal, removing some layers might not drastically affect the final output. Identifying the pruning targets, a similarity-based approach. The proposed pruning strategy revolves around measuring the similarity between representations at different layers. This is achieved by calculating the angular distance between the input and output of layer blocks. The block with the smallest distance is deemed the least impactful and is subsequently removed. Let's break down this process. Choose the number of layers to prune, n. Calculate the angular distance between the input and output of each block of n layers. This distance essentially tells us how much the representation changes within that block. Identify the block with the minimum angular distance. This block is considered redundant and is the prime candidate for pruning. Remove the chosen block of layers and connect the previous layer's output directly to the subsequent block's input. Healing the wounds, fine-tuning for recovery. Removing layers can disrupt the flow of information within the model, potentially impacting performance. To mitigate this, the paper proposes a healing process using parameter-efficient fine-tuning (PFT) methods like QLORA. This allows for efficient fine-tuning on a small subset of parameters, bringing the pruned model back to its optimal performance. The surprising results: less is more. The paper reveals a surprising finding: LLMs are remarkably robust to layer pruning, with minimal performance degradation even after removing a significant portion of the deeper layers. For example, Llama 2-70B retains its performance on question-answering benchmarks even after losing almost half of its layers. This robustness implies two possibilities: either current pre-training methods underutilize the deeper layers, or the knowledge primarily resides within the shallower layers. Key observations: delving deeper. Further analysis of the angular distances reveals interesting patterns. Deeper layers exhibit greater similarity among themselves, suggesting their redundancy and potential for pruning. The final layer, however, stands out as unique and crucial for maintaining performance. Removing it leads to significant degradation. These observations pave the way for an even simpler pruning strategy: remove layers starting from the penultimate layer, excluding the final one, and then proceed towards the shallower layers until the desired pruning level is achieved. Surprisingly, this approach, combined with healing, delivers performance comparable to the original similarity-based method. Implications, efficiency and insights. The findings of this research offer several exciting implications. Enhanced efficiency. Layer pruning significantly reduces memory footprint and inference time, making it a valuable tool for deploying LLMs on resource-constrained devices. Combined power. Combining layer pruning with PFT and quantization techniques unlocks further efficiency gains without compromising performance. Scientific insights. The robustness of LLMs to layer pruning suggests that knowledge might be concentrated in the shallower layers, prompting further research into knowledge representation and utilization within these models. Looking ahead, open questions and future directions. This research opens up several intriguing avenues for future exploration. Exploring alternative pruning strategies and healing techniques. Can we achieve even better performance and efficiency with different approaches? Investigating the role of different layers in knowledge representation. Do different tasks rely on different depths within the network? Optimizing pre-training methods to utilize all layers effectively. Can we improve how LLMs leverage the deeper layers for enhanced performance? By diving deeper into the inner workings of LLMs, we can unlock new levels of efficiency and gain valuable insights into their knowledge representation and reasoning capabilities. This journey towards efficient and interpretable LLMs promises exciting advancements in the field of artificial intelligence.